they are sitting right in my lap. Can I feed you? Can I give you something? Hey? Here, you want some? Oh, isn't he cute? Little rock wallabies. They're very cute. Can I give you some more? Here. Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Here. You're busy eating, aren't you? They're very cute. There's a few down there. You want some too? Come on. Come on. Do you want some? Aren't they adorable? I've spilled them all over the rock. So I've got permanent friends. Yes, I have, haven't I? Oh, you let me pet you, eh? Hey, you're very friendly. So soft. My goodness.